on, y'all? SCS we I'm at the house, man. I'm finna moving some little stuff to the other shop. I'm finna get my skates so I can move these cars around without starting and choking on damn exhaust fumes. The hydraulic oil for the lift. I'm looking for my skates. That's why I'm looking at the camera right now, and I don't see it. Yep, I can take this up there. Bushing kit for the Landau. That's probably gonna be the first car to get worked on up there. Definitely need that. But here go my oil. This is sandblast and sand. And throw that out. Alright. Hammer drill. Bits. I don't know where my case is for them. It might be in the house. Gotta go check. Well. I'm not getting it right now. So just gonna have to start the damn car or push it back and forth.
The next day.
What's going on, y'all? It's the next day. It's the next day, man. This lift is definitely super tall. I want to show y'all. I kind of broke some of the pieces down, and I got to a point to where I'm stopping for the day. I gotta put that cross. I'm gonna just show y'all everything. So the legs come out, swing open, put on the car. The post is pretty much set. I gotta come here and clean up all this trans fluid. It is trans fluid everywhere. Lift was over here similar in this area, y'all can see. But here's me. It's not all the way erected, so we gotta take one bolt out on both sides, I'm guessing. Yeah, and then slide it all the way up. We going all the way up. And yeah. Then tomorrow I'm just gonna set that all the way up, get the cross brace up, the safety mechanism, get that other piece off that I cut. I'm gonna do everything but do the anchor bolts tomorrow. So literally one day at a time. I just can't spend time doing one thing all day. What's going on, guys? It's like 3 weeks later, man, and I end up just paying to get the lift put in because this one person, man, I can't do everything. So I paid them to put the lifts in at the new shop and at home, because the ones at home supposed to be in October for my birthday. But here at Home Depot, finna get some wire and little stuff for the wiring for that one, because I need that one to be working ASAP so I can start working on my car. So let's get what we need to get this done. Some 10-2 wire nuts, the clip piece, the piece that go in the hole on the panel, 30 amp breaker. It's a 20 on it that I could use, and it was a 60, but I just like using the right stuff. So let me get what I need. All right, guys, we back. The lifts at the other shop are put up, and I forgot to get a slice of footage. I really didn't even want to record. I've been off the camera, man. I've been trying to get stuff done. So I'm at home, starting the dream garage. So I'm gonna just make this video getting both of my lifts installed, because finally both of them get installed. So in this garage, it's not going to be any parts or any tools. Reorganize everything I got. I mean, throwing stuff away, like I don't want no access, nothing. So shelving coming down. Shelving coming down. That one coming down too. It was a bunch of templates. Bunch of stuff, man. When I was in here, I used to be in here practicing, trying to do something compared to now. But I found some stuff I could use, some stuff I ain't gonna use. A bunch of stuff in the back of the truck I just threw away. Like, forget it. But these J-Rock seats, it's a door panel that I tried to do. It's crazy. I look at it now, I'm like, damn, I suck. I was sucking, but I was trying though. And you don't try, you ain't gonna never get it. So. Motivation for y'all. Somebody. Oh shit, I just stripped the screen. Alright, y'all see what it's looking like right now. But only thing I got to do to the dream garage, man, is like I say, reorganize everything, take all this stuff out, all of this, all of it out. 2 4-post lift. My wife gonna park over there. Probably, yeah, we're gonna grind these down. Sand this pads that I put in for the lifts. A cheap epoxy, like from Lowe's, nothing super crazy. May or may not mix 2 colors. I don't know. Try to make it like a swirl or something. That's the kitchen table we still ain't put together. That's gonna go together soon. Like I said, we're just gonna reorganize everything, take all the parts, tools, and everything out, put it in the shop in the back, and in a container. But this is finna be our dream garage, man. This is gonna be crazy, watch. So let me keep on getting these shelves down. All right, man, this is the next day. I'm at Home Depot again. I'm getting some screws for the concrete, some clamps, like 2 or 3 clamps. Get another one of those grommet type pieces that go inside the panel box, but I'm using it for the actual lift because I drilled another hole on the opposite side so the wire can run on the side that I want it to run on instead of over and inside. I'm running it off the same side of the wall. So I need another one of these. Alright. Got a bit. It's a half bit though, but it's gonna work. I don't think I used that when I added that power line on the side for my table. But you gotta make it up to my code standards before start recording and stuff. All right, it's about to be on time lapse, so I'm gonna pre-drill and drill these and install this. This is what I was talking about. It was a hole on this side for the wire to come, but the panel right there. So I don't want to run the wire like that. So I just drilled a hole on this side, and I use this with this. I'm gonna put it back over here with that cap, and then I'm gonna use the cap that I use right there, and I'm gonna put it on the side. And then, like I said, I'm gonna put this across the wall straight, and then it's gonna come like that, boom. And yeah, I already shut the power off, and let's get it.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push a peak, cop new hammers for my beat. We don't want no peace. Got a spot at puff spot, check for peace. Drop the data, now we plot inside the piece. She not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian. Push a peak, push a peak. On capital P, I write the president.
All right, y'all. I lost the damn plastic cover piece for the first hole, but this is how I was talking about doing it. Yeah, it'll come up though once I move some stuff around, cause I ain't got nothing over here besides cars. So, moment of truth. Y'all that in there. Let's see. All right, we good. So I'm gonna put this cover back on. Tie this stuff up, and we done. Gotta go get my broom and clean all this up. But yeah, that's it. All right, it's done. And now I'm not using it, so I cut it off. And the ones at the house still gotta be wired, but I ain't worried about that right now because I ain't got nothing to put in there. But I just wanted to get it done. But now it's done. And I got the seal Chevy in there on it. I'm doing a dump swap at home. So as soon as I get this motor together, taking it back over there. I'm doing it right in front of the shop. Oh, all right, y'all. Ooh, I can't wait to get this yard done. Back at home, same day. Bam! Looking good. The damn battery wasn't charged, so I couldn't hit the gas. We ended up pushing this thing up the ramp and turned it off, and it's down like it's charged. So, and then we got the other spot. These ain't wired up yet. Not wiring them up. Wired. not wiring them up no time soon. We probably just run a cord over here and switch between the two. I ain't gonna lie. Only thing though with this one is I forget what's right here in the house. The wall got like this contour, and they pushed it back in the garage, so you gotta watch out. Make sure that don't hit that. But I got the hot track conversion. It's over there on the floor. I bought that before I bought the lift. I think I bought that hot track. I have to go. They gave me my jams or something, height or something to go off the wall. But it's right here. I thought I'd had this on. I'll probably pay somebody to do this too, man. I don't be feeling like it. I feel like doing what I know how to do, and it don't be no question to it. And I just rather just make the money and pay somebody for real. But they is up. We're gonna put the wheel kit on here. We're gonna roll all this out. I blew it best I could, but we're gonna epoxy the floor, finish painting the wall. They started when the people we bought the house from, they started painting the wall, and once we put the offer in, they just stopped. I ain't care though, because we ain't have a house. We had to have it. Like I told y'all, all this going in storage in my container. And shoot, I ain't touched like almost none of this. So I'm gonna go through it, throw away what I don't need, store what I do. But all these toolkits, this is all mechanical stuff. Mechanical and bodywork stuff. I ain't gonna touch none of that for real. Yeah, this a whole body tool for body work. This whole thing. Air chisels, nibblers, block sanding blocks, literally this whole thing. And it's all like reciprocating saws and sawzalls. It look like an angle grinder in there. And I done bought an angle grinder for the shop, see? That's why I said I don't even be knowing what I have. Stuff just everywhere. And I still got a bunch of tools in my van, but it's all right. I'm gonna go through all this stuff. I seen this. Yep, I just used this when I cut that roof out that car. But like I say, man, I see my vision. Some people don't see my vision, but it's all right. That's why everybody got their own eyes and their own brain. But it's gonna come together slowly. Yeah, man, it's coming along, man. High track conversion. Gonna lift the car all the way up, roll other cars under there. Like I say, it's gonna be. I told her she could have a lift. She don't believe me, but so I guess the Chevelle Corvette and me is gonna be this and the don't. But I'm more than likely gonna be the ones rolling the cars in, cause she can't drive. She just scrape her car coming on that side. I was like, oh my God, you gotta come in back or forward, straight only. That's it. She tried to turn in. Tried to turn in, scrape the beams up a little bit. I ended up buffing it. Oh yeah, y'all seen that video, but I'm kind of rambling on, man. But what's next? I'm gonna try to get all this whole spot cleaned out. I'm gonna try to throw away everything I don't need. I'm still throwing. I throw stuff away every single week. Throwing stuff away, get my container moved, get everything in there organized, separated, and like same thing with that the damn wood shelf. I'll probably make some more of those because I got stuff in the shop. I got a paint box. That was the body box. I got a box full of paint supplies. I want to just organize everything and keep it in there. That way, as soon as I need it, I can go over there and get it. That way, it ain't in my face or in my way. But the dream garage is definitely about to come. Yeah. I ain't want my cars to be done and then have to stick them in storage and no crazy stuff. Yeah. Man, my gauge is in there on the floor. Oh, I can't wait to work on my stuff. Been networking, so I might find somebody that's gonna do the roof skin for me. I don't know if I'm painting over. At this point, I don't even really care because it's been so long. I just want to ride. Y'all hearing my voice, man. I'm happy as hell. Stuff getting done, man. Stuff getting done. Like I'm just waiting patiently. I ain't in no rush to throw no money out no more. I just wait and shoot. When I find the right person, I spend the money. Cause being in that rush, boy, they'll drag it. Drag it. Take it from me. I could have saved at least 15,000 on my backyard. On my backyard could have been done. Matter of fact, with the money I spent, I ain't even lying to y'all. But y'all stay tuned, man. SCS, I'm out.